How to trim video in CapCut PC. So if you want to trim videos in CapCut PC, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut on your PC, now you can go with create project or you can go with an existing project. So I'll be choosing an existing project. Once you've chosen, now here you will have the project, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply select a video. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, now if you want to trim the video, then there are basically two steps. The first one is you can select the video and then you can adjust like this to trim the part from the left side or from the right side. But you can also simply choose the part where you would like to trim, and once you've chosen here, you will have the split option. Click on split and again go with the second point and then again click on split, and now select the part that you don't like and then go with delete and delete that part. So that's it. That's how you can trim your video in your CapCut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.